Hi guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how I highlight and contour with the new AmorUs Sculpt and Glow palette. And I'm also going to be showing you how I set my makeup, the brushes I use, how I prep and prime my lips for lipstick, and I'm going to be featuring these Nabi Highlighters. Before we get started, I already have my eyebrows done, my eyeshadow done, my eyelashes, and I've already applied primer, foundation, concealer, and I've set my face with the nude peach matte shade in this palette. So what I would usually do next is contour my face. So to contour, I'm just going to take my AmorUs 103 brush. It's an angled contour brush. And I'm going to take it and dip it in the warm, deep shade that comes in the palette. And I'm just going to apply it under my cheeks, on the sides of my forehead, and in my jawline. So after I've contoured my face, I'm going to go ahead and take the AmorUs 102 brush. This is a powder brush, and I'm going to use it to bronze my face. And I'm going to be using the AmorUs Cosmetics Bronzer Pearls. These do come in pearls, so what I do is I take the back of the brush to crush the little balls so they won't get stuck in your brush. So the reason I bronze is because you want your contour to look more natural and you don't want it to look so harsh. So the bronzer is warmer to your skin tone and it's supposed to make your contour blend and make you look more natural. So after I'm done bronzing my face, the next step is to highlight. So I'm going to take my AmorUs 115 brush. It's a fan brush, and I'm going to take both the Natural Glow and the Warm Glow from the Sculpt and Glow palette. I'm going to tap it. And then now I'm going to highlight my face. So I'm going to highlight the high points of my face. And highlight is basically to highlight the high points of your face and to look a little more glowy. So I also like to highlight my nose bridge, my cupid's bow, my chin, and some parts of my forehead, right above my eyebrow. I'm going to do this side. So now that I've used the Sculpt and Glow palette to highlight my face, I'm going to be using these new Nabi Highlighters. These are the Dream Touch highlight powders. So I'm going to be combining them and showing you guys how they look already applied on your face. So as y'all can see, I already have my contour, bronzer, highlight, and now it's time to set your makeup. So I'm going to be using these Clean Color sprays. And we have two setting sprays and we have a prep and prime one. So the prep and prime is usually used for before you apply your foundation. So it's like a primer obviously. And this is going to make your face a little sticky, but it's going to make your foundation last longer. Everything. Your foundation, concealer. So this would be used before. But since I already have my foundation, concealer, powder, everything done, I'm just going to use one of these to set. So here we have, this is a matte finish and this is a dewy finish. So the matte finish is obviously going to leave your face to look matte. And the dewy finish is going to make you look a little more glowy. It's more, your face is going to look more moisturized. So since I already have dry skin, I'm going to use the dewy one. And what you want to do is shake it a little so the product inside can mix. And then you don't want to put it too close to you because then the dots are going to show on your face, on your skin. So I'm going to be spraying this. I'm going to close my eyes and do it from far away. So now that I've set my face with the makeup setting sprays, I'm going to be using this lip scrub from She Makeup. And I really like this scrub because it's really creamy and it smells good. They have different flavors. So this is the mint green one. And I'm going to show you guys how to use it. All you have to do is, well, dip your finger. But since I'm wearing nails, I'm just going to dip part of my finger. And you just apply it on your lips. And start scrubbing them. I usually scrub them for about a minute or two, but it just depends on your lips or if you're more sensitive than others. Some people have more sensitive lips than others, so it just depends on what you prefer. So I just apply the lip scrub. You can scrub it for as long as you want. And usually when I'm done scrubbing, I just get a makeup wipey. And I really like the texture because it's really creamy and it's not so harsh on your lips. So I get a makeup wipey and I wipe it off. And you immediately feel how your lips feel so much fresher and softer. So after I've scrubbed my lips, they're ready for lipstick, and I'm going to be using this Nabi Lingerie lip color. This is a new collection that they came up with, and this is in number 4. It's called Sienna. So I'm just going to apply it on my lips. So now that I'm done with my makeup, I'm going to be telling you guys a little more about these products and why I like them. So basically, I like that these products are really affordable and they're still really good quality. So for example, these setting sprays and the lip scrub are only for $1. And then the Sculpt and Glow palette is only for $5.99. The AmorUs Bronzer Pros are $1.99 as well. The Lingerie collection is $1.69 each, or you can take 3 for $5. These Nabi Dream Touch highlighting powders are $2.99. The powder brush and the angled brush are only $3.99, and the fan brush is only $1.99. Okay guys, so that's it for this week. We're going to be uploading videos weekly, and we're actually doing a giveaway this week. So the first winner is going to win the Sculpt and Glow palette with an angled brush. And then the second winner is going to win the fan brush with the 2 Nabi highlights. All you have to do to enter the giveaway is tag a friend below, follow our Facebook page, our Instagram page, and stay tuned to see who wins. You can also find all of these products online in case you don't win the giveaway. We sell other makeup products and we also sell jewelry. Make sure to visit our page, jveves.com, and thank you for watching.